baba. Uthando lwethu bhanda ungicela ukuthi ngenze
Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy.
So guys, we're just here. We're visiting the Sabero.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're breaking lockdown rules. Yeah. You just cannot solve quarantine.
Why you cannot quarantine? Why you cannot quarantine?
We have no money. My wallet is also on quarantine, so
No,
I cannot
sisi
take
lona
out money.
NSFAS kodwa akafuna ukukhokha. NSFAS ukhokhile ilethe besithenga amakodwa na izolo.
Noma.
Yeah.
Awuwe.
Buya, uzophendula. Pendula kane. Ay. Uba uxabanisa omunye, uba uhlezi. Sengani le.
Usile.
Ngiyangimkhombisa ama
Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm featuring my friends. Hey!
Nana Shang.
So I'm featuring my friend
Moto.
our ex-classmates, right?
Yeah.
Hello! No! Sanbonani! So like guys, ngiyamkela to my YouTube channel. Featuring Kanani Latif, right? Today is supposed to be my ex-classmates. Like funny stuff to do. Right? Bala ngobani? Nginomthikilelo. So, nginomthikilelo. Yabona ngiyaphetha ma-orally. Yo. Ngokumthekela yokile. She was the one to watch, like, who am I in that one? Like, finish up. I was so I think, you put the topic here. I think ngabona ukuthi uyangizonda namhlanje ngibonele ukuthi uyangizonda ngaqishe ngafanele oyesaba ubale asizilele asizilele next untombazane mele he was the one who was always clean. Always coming proper but never on time. I'm still also explaining. So he didn't prepare for his oral, right? Are you serious? umkhulu lo wayehlezi uthi umkhulu uyangithanda. Umkhulu ngenzani? Sijabule ukuthi umkhulu uyahamba wasesimnandi bahoma lo like.
Can we visit, please? Can we visit?
And so this is my school. Oh my goodness, like this is where I created most memories. I made most friends. And yeah, it's just yeah. That's the best time of my life. So 3 years here, right? I go 2 years. 3 years, I mean 2. 2 years. Because I've been back later. It's that song.
Which song?
Try to bite my tongue, but I can't take it. I got whiplash from eternity.
When pillows at
Oh no, I can't make it. I'd rather take my chance with you instead. Do you second that emotion? Do you second that emotion? You really got me
Damn. Unkulunkulu izulu nani?
Philimitha moya babethu ukuthi bequleka. Awusadunusi. So this used to be guys, no toffee. Asaphathi busindisa. Powerful. Usindisa powerful. Uthi sena ngaphandle kwasindisa right? Ngabe nje. Ayikho nje wayesifike. Ngoba. Go. Hey. Hey guys, I'm coming in. It used
To calm down.
Calm down. Hello.
We are. Can I quit now? Can I quit?
Oh, insane, Kosi. Yeah. Kosi kulele ngemali. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, you work on you.
I'd rather take my chance with you instead. Do you second that emotion? Do you second that emotion? You really got me open. Do you second that emotion? Got me feeling giddy like struck a magic, got me needy like.
Definition. Awusamba nawo wonke umkhosi bayilo mngane unamaphutha. Mngane unamaphutha. Mngane unamaphutha. Mngane unamaphutha.
Ngathi ha. Wabona urato ukuthi umdidi. Don't just say, please. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and our page. On our YouTube page.
Studio time. Honest.
Oh, it's a page. Tell a friend to tell a friend that you're watching my videos. Guys, please subscribe. Please.
Yeah, the babies.
Ooh, babies.